Okay, for the rest part of the video, I believe you already know that we're almost done. So we have all this whereby you can export image from gallery, full screen. If I just click on full screen, just make it to review your design and truly just see how it is. Okay, then we have then we have the layer tab. Okay, the layer tab helps you to see all your layers, the way they are being arranged, and the things that are there in your design. Okay, you can decide to hide the layer. Okay, you can decide to lock a layer. Okay, you can decide to ask the layer, what am I going to do to you? And I say, okay, I want you to copy, or I want you to move you, or I want to take you to the front, or take you to the back, or I want to rotate you. Okay, all those are things that somebody should give attention to while working with text. So we also have this tab where we have the save as project and save as image. Remember, we'll do the 22 step in making your first design. We save as project, which of course we've talked about the project tab before, where you have all your content that you've designed before. And also I want to show you how to import shape. Okay, because this is important, because there are some things you should know. Okay, you have how to import shape, resize it. I know you can figure yourself out with the rest part of this, but I still want to show you one last thing. Okay, you have the sticker. Okay, this sticker of this Pixellab came with some bonus content. Okay, so we have all these that you can use for your design. Okay, to be very honest, I've never used them any day. Okay, I've used them a few times, whereby I just this is not necessary. Okay, we have sticker where you can take any one of your choice and use. Okay, they are just default, like precept that was saved along with this Pixellab. If you have the other ones, you will not see it. So then we have all these that you can use for your design. So that is it about the interface of Pixellab. So let's proceed. I'll see you in the next video.